In this video, I'll show you how to back up your iPhone to your Mac. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're going to do is to connect our iPhone to our MacBook. You can do this using your charger. After you connect your iPhone, go ahead and open up Finder. Once you're inside Finder, under Locations, you're going to see your iPhone. So go ahead and click on it. And here you will see all the general information about your phone. Under Backups, you're going to have two options. You can back up the most important data of your iPhone to iCloud in case you're using iCloud. But since we're going to do it to our Mac, we're going to select the second option that says back up all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. After you select this option, go ahead and click on Backup Now. Here it's going to ask you if you want your backup to be encrypted. So go ahead and select the option that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to select Don't Encrypt, and this will automatically start backing up your iPhone information to your Mac. On your iPhone, you will be asked to put in your passcode so your iPhone can trust your Mac. So go ahead and do that. And now all you have to do is to wait until the backup is completed, and you will find all the information under Finder on your Mac. Hope that helps.